Now, guys, I don't want to get in trouble. I already apologized to Ate Dina Guillermo. But here's the one thing for Mark Cruz, the new Paulo Cruzada of the Laguna. Do not curse me bad words. The time I was told by Teacher May, when you say a bad words, is this very nice thing to say me a bad word? Is that very nice thing to say me, for example, what he said that word? Asshole words? Oh, me, I never say that to Nanay Ningning. Oh, I'm asking to the mother of Mark Cruz, Mark Domingo Cruz, lecture your son. I'm not gonna say a bad words, Even you call me an Hezbollah freakazoid, and I said I defend Palestine. What's the problem? I defend Palestine. Oh, what about Kawali Coronel? Oh, if he's a Muslim, founder of Kawal na Inclusion. Oh, many Muslims are supporting Palestine. Mostly Filipinos who were Bangsamoro. Oh, it is a very nice to teaching Christianity to say bad words. Remember, Mark Cruz, Jesus is a Palestinian Christian. Remember that. He is not Israeli. I was told by my friends, Kuya Bear as well, Palestine has lots of religion, Catholic, Muslims, and Christians. Oh, is this what you like to say bad words? Is this what you like to say me profanity words? And you call me bad words? I was in CDIFI. I never say that bad words. Oh, this is a lesson from Teacher May. Do not say bad words. Oh, look at Wawel Romero. He never say bad words. Oh, look at anyone who never say a bad words. Oh, but unlike you need to stop with the bad words. My friend Bill Galang never say bad words too. Oh, if I were you, Mark Cruz, tigilan mo kasi pagmumura. Wag ganon. Do not say bad words. May I curse the CDIFI are pro-Israel. Oh, they have no lesson from Jesus. Oh, at least Ate Mel is a Christian too. Oh, she support Palestine. Oh, she's a